people here are very, very resourceful and very intuitive. We really believe in hard work and aren't afraid of it, and aren't afraid to make things happen. That is just built into the culture here. Let's make sure that everything is done before the day is over. And that sense of pride in making things happen that a lot of people don't expect to happen here. Our communities are small, but they're vibrant. We preserve the charm that has made this place feel so special and grow in a way that the communities will still be around.
Here at HydroGear, we manufacture hydrostatic transmissions for the lawn and garden industry. And we do drive systems for anything that somebody needs to move from point A to point B. Here in Princeton, at this location, we're quickly going to be the largest manufacturing facility in the whole HydroGear chain. And it's really a testament to the great people that we have here in the area. Our focus is long-term success for each of them and work-life balance for everybody. Anybody can start here day one and progress. You don't have to have a college degree to be the president of the company. It's all about hard work. It's all about ingenuity. Those things will move you anywhere you want to go in HydroGear.
We have companies that value what they make and have a pride in what they make and the people who make it. One of the things about being in a small town with a great sense of community is that there's a really good sense of balance of respecting quality of life and respecting that your job is not you and it's not what makes you. Your job is something that you do to provide for other aspects of your life. We have really high expectations of still achieving things, but people respect having a family life and they respect that your family comes first and that your priorities matter.
Princeton kind of found us. We were very, very fortunate to have started our business here, and we're really, really proud to be a part of it. Porter Road is a fully integrated meat company. We work directly with the small local producers of all proteins, beef, pork, chicken, lamb. We control that entire process through the harvesting of the animal, the dry aging, the butchering, the fulfillment. Our product is made with a lot of passion, and James and I can't cut every steak. We can't package every piece of meat. We can't sign every box, tape every box, and ship it. So we have to have people that carry on as much passion for the product as we do. Ask somebody about Porter Road and you're going to run into somebody that knows the product, knows the town of Princeton because of that. And there's a lot of pride that comes from our staff being a part of that.
When people look around, they know what's here. When you see the factory, you know what they make and you know why it's important. You know when you go buy a lawnmower that those parts were made here. If you buy a laundry basket or a steak, that's all made here. It's grown here, it's crafted here. It's done by businesses that are owned here and people that live here and work here. Every single day you touch something that was made here.